Don't eat it.
Why do I do that?
Okay.
There you go. Well, you got it. Yeah, go ahead and pull that out and give him the box. Here. Here.
I'll take that.
All I care about is the bow. And I think this is actually from Andy. This was Andy's when he was a baby.
Is that not me?
And he had that, he wrote on there, because he wanted to know the exact date that he was baptized.
What do you write on there?
Icky! Icky!